How to delete your Bybit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit and want to permanently delete your account, then first of all, open up your Bybit app or visit the Bybit website and sign into your account. I'm doing this on my app. Once you're inside the home page signed into your account, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now on the next page, click the gear button at the top right corner. This will take you to User Center. From here, click on Security. Inside Security tab, scroll all the way down and click on Account Settings. Now, under Account Settings, select Delete Account. After you tap the Delete Account button, follow through any on-screen instructions. You'll need to provide your two-factor authentication code if you have enabled two-factor authentication, and also make sure to verify your email by entering the 6-digit code that will be emailed to you, and you'll be able to complete the deletion. Before deleting your account, make sure that you complete any pending transactions, withdraw all of your funds, close any open positions, and there you go. That's the process how you can delete your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.